When learning management systems are closed source, it means they are proprietary platforms as opposed to open source ones. They have their source code restricted, and modifications and distributions are controlled by the platform vendor. Closed source LMSs are generally set up simpler than open source LMSs. Vendor documentation and support is highly detailed, and restricted source code access makes them more secure. Generally, closed source platforms have a learning curve that's less steep than open source LMSs. These systems are easier to navigate, customize, and manage for beginners who may not be as familiar with these kinds of applications. Docebo, Teachable, and our favorite Learn Worlds are all closed source. Ready to learn more about learning management systems? Check out the How to Create an Online Course Masterclass and get started today.